Epictetus once said, "Only the educated are free." Now, he wasn't talking about school degrees or fancy diplomas. He meant philosophical education that teaches you how to think, how to respond, and how to live. Most people are slaves, not to chains, but to anger, fear, desire, and public opinion. Because when you understand what truly matters and what doesn't, you're no longer a slave to your emotions, your impulses, or other people's opinions. That's real freedom. Train your mind, sharpen your soul, because the more you learn how to live, the freer you become. Think about it. The person who knows how to stay calm under pressure, who doesn't get triggered by every insult or inconvenience, that person is free. And that freedom comes from understanding yourself and the world through philosophy. So today, don't chase approval. Don't chase control. Chase wisdom. Because as the Stoics knew, the more you learn, the freer you become. If you found that helpful, then don't forget to subscribe. Stoic wisdom, every day.